Good morning, students. This is your third standard English, and today we are going to study the grammar adjective. Students, let's learn what is adjective. Listen carefully, students. Shall we start? Students, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. For example, Jane is a clever girl. Jane is a clever girl. Clever is an adjective and it describes Jane. Clever is an adjective and it describes Jane. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun such as person, place, thing, or idea. An adjective can tell color, size, shape, taste, order, texture, sound, number, and weather. Color in the sense black, blue, coral, green, pink. Any color when you describe are said to be adjectives. Size, big, huge, large, little, short. Shape, boxy, oval, round, square, triangular. Taste, bitter, sour, sweet, tangy, tart. Odor, the smell. Flower, fresh, musty, salty, stinky. Texture, taste. Changing of the appearance. Bumpy, furry, slimy, smooth and squish. Changing of the appearance of a food item or anything is said to be texture. Sound, faint, harmonious, loud, pleasant, quiet. Number, few, 50, many, sparse, 2. Weather, clear, dry, foggy, rain, windy. Are you clear, students? Whatever sentence is describing all these words are said to be adjectives. Children, adjectives. Types of adjectives. There are 6 kinds of adjectives. How many? 6. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, interrogative adjective, demonstrative adjective, and exclamatory adjective. Are you clear, students? Write down this in your English classwork. First one is adjectives of quality. These adjectives are used to describe the nature of a noun. They give an idea about the characteristics of the noun by answering the question what kind. By answering the question what kind, it gives the nature of the noun. Examples: New Delhi is a large city with many historical monuments. It is a large city. Sheila is a beautiful woman. Beautiful. The quality of the noun. Here woman is a noun and the quality is beautiful. Adjective of quality answers the question what kind of. What kind of a person you are. What kind of a boy you are. What kind of a girl you are. Are you a good girl? Are you a clever boy? These all are said to be adjective of quality. Example, he is a brave person. So, the person, what kind of a person? Brave. Here, brave is an adjective of quality. She has a beautiful voice. What kind of voice? Beautiful. So, this is adjective of quality describing the noun. For better understanding, students, let's do some exercise. Read the question and fill the blank with the given answers in the box. The first one is done for you. We saw a huge dinosaur skeleton at the museum. An ant is dash but very strong. An ant is tiny but very strong. An elephant is not as dash a whale. An elephant is not as large as a whale. The fox was too dash to reach the grapes. The fox was too short to reach the grapes. Giraffe can reach dash trees. Giraffe can reach tall trees. Are you clear, students? Describing the quality of the noun is said to be adjective of the quality. Adjectives of quantity, amount. An adjective of quantity is the adjective that denotes the quality of its noun or pronoun. Example, notice the underlined words in the following sentence. I bought some tea, showing the quantity of the tea, some tea. He is a little proud of his position. The whole story is false. Much wisdom is needed for this job. Here much is underlined. At my words, he lost all patience. You have no right to say. We are telling the quantity of the sentence. Some more examples. Adjective of quantity. There is a much water in the jug. There is little water in the jug. How much? Almost none. Very little water is there. There is a little water in the jug. Very, very less. There is no water in the jug. There is some water in the jug. There is sufficient water in the jug which you can drink. There is enough water in the jug which you can use. So the red color words are said to be adjective of the quantity, telling the water how much it is present in the jug. Each sentence is describing water only, water in the jug, but the quantity is different. Adjectives of number next. Definite numeral adjective. Those which clearly denote an exact number of nouns or the order of the noun. Giving exact numbers 1, 2, 20, 33, etc. also known as cardinals. First, second, third, seventh, etc. also known as ordinals. Are you clear, students? Adjectives of number. Adjective of number answer the question how many. How many? Example, I met her several times. How many times? Several times. That is adjective of number. We have 2 hands. How many hands? 2 hands. Are you clear, students? Representing a number in the situation in the sentence is said to be adjective of number. For better understanding, let's do exercise. The green tree looked very healthy. The green tree looked very healthy. Means the green color. The green tree looked very healthy. Adjective. There can be up to 10 players on the basketball court. You are doing the adjective in numbers, so 10. I have 5 fingers on my hand. 5. The red house stood out on the block. Red house. Color. Showing the color. You are representing it. I bought a black shirt for the play. Black. There are 11 players on the football field. 11. The blue sky looked beautiful. Blue. My eyes were red because of all the wind. Red. We have 15 more days of summer. 15. My family went on vacation for 7 days. 7. Here representing the number and the color, you are identifying it. The green and red shoes stood out amongst the others. Green and red. I have 5 more tests to take this school year. 5. Are you clear, students? Yes. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative is nothing but asking questions. Interrogative adjectives are often used along with nouns to ask questions such as where, who, how, why, and which. Such words are words that determine the sentence completely in terms of questioning. Example sentences are: whose pen will they bring to you? Which book will they give you? Which notebook will they show you? What's your answer? What kind of plan did you create? Where, who, how, why, and which. When you use to ask a question, these are said to be interrogative adjectives. For better understanding, let's do the exercise. Which pen did you buy? You have to underline the interrogative sentence. Which way is it? Here, which. What kind of model did you build? What? Whose hairdryer are you using? Whose? Which novel did you enjoy best? Which? What have you planned for your vacation? What? Which test was the hardest for you? Whose play are you rehearsing? Whose? What vegetables would you like for dinner? What? Which of the children went to the party? Which? What happened in the world today? What? So, the word you are using to ask a question is said to be interrogative adjective. Are you clear, students? Yes. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives. You are demonstrating an adjective, a word, a noun. You are demonstrating by using an adjective to a noun. Demonstrative adjectives are used to indicate or point out a noun or a pronoun. You are pointing out. How do you point out a thing, a place? The four demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, and those. Examples: she wants those shoes. That pencil belongs to the teacher. These essays need to be graded. You should sing this song tonight. You are pointing out to particular noun. So these are said to be demonstrative adjectives. There are four: this, that, these, and those. For examples, this is a funny story. Those are the stamps my cousin needs. Will this be the last snowstorm? Thanks, that was a good pie. Nicole, these are my papers. So, the things which you are pointing out by using these adjectives are said to be demonstrative adjectives. Let's do an exercise for better understanding. These are the best ice skates I have never owned. Can you recognize the demonstrative over here? Yes, these. Betsy chose this topic for her speech. This. These trees must be 100 years old. These. This is going to be a beautiful day. This. If we score this goal, we will win. Winslow Horner painted these. These designs were created by Leonardo da Vinci. This year my birthday falls on Saturday. This. I never thought of that. That chair is too big for the room. That. Are you clear, students? This, that, these, and those, if it is coming in any sentences, those are said to be demonstrative adjectives. Exclamatory adjectives. Exclamatory adjectives means a line and a dot. This is said to be exclamation mark. Exclamatory adjective is a word that expresses sudden or strong emotion. Wow! Really? Super! These type of expressions are represented with that exclamation mark. Usually, what is used as an exclamatory adjective? Example, what a charming boy he is, surprising. So exclamation mark. What a picture! Exclamation mark. When you're showing emotions very strongly, you're surprised, you're very happy, the exclamation mark is used. What a beautiful flower it is! Exclamation mark. What an idea! Exclamation mark. The word what is known as an exclamatory adjective. What an interesting book! Super! What an idea, Sir G! What a catch! What a tragedy! What an insult! You are not asking questions. You are expressing your emotions with a very strong feeling. So they are said to be exclamatory adjectives. Students, I hope you are clear with this session. Now it's exercise time. Write down these questions in your English classwork and try to answer them by seeing this video. What is an adjective? Name the types of adjectives. What are adjective of number? Give examples. What are adjective of interrogative? Give examples. Students, in the next class we will meet with the next session.